Ian and I were talking about this the other night. Like, I think a big mistake that was made in 2018 by a lot of people was that the market was over and they didn't know that it was over. And I think that was something that we had talked about, you definitely experienced.
Yeah, I mean, last bull run, boom bust cycle with ICOs, token sales, cryptocurrency in general, mainstream people or retail investors and traders began losing money while those who were insiders were still making money.
Yeah.
And they were basically out of touch.
Yeah.
Right? They were out of touch from what everybody else was doing in terms of losing money in crypto. And after a while, the market had to kind of fully correct.
Yeah.
And for me, going through that myself, right, for us, we were still making money in 2018, but in a way we kind of lost touch with what the people who just bought the top were experiencing. And now, as we enter this new bull run, I think people have to really keep tabs on what's happening with retail investors and traders.
Yeah.
So when you see people like Elon Musk pumping Dogecoin, I'm thinking to myself, are we going through the same thing in 2017? So I think it's definitely very, very deadly what he's doing, and those people who are brand new to crypto have to really be careful.
Yeah, and I think that what's really interesting is, going back to your earlier point, is that, like, I experienced that as the retail investor in 2018. I lost all the money I made in the bull market. And so, I at that point, that was actually just when I had started getting into content creation and stuff here. But I was on that end of it. So I experienced it and I lost all the money. You were on the other end of it where you were, you had your ICO thing going and you weren't able to quickly like determine like, hey, everybody's losing money right now. But I think the cool thing is both of those experiences for us have driven us to make sure that the people that use Token Metrics, the people that watch my channel, that they don't go through that again, because we went through that and we learned from that. And I'm sure a lot of your focus is not having to go through that again, not allowing people to go through that. And that's a big focus for me. I don't want people to go through what I went through.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why we built Token Metrics, because now we can give people cutting edge research with our team, Bill, Forrest, ourselves, taking tools of the trade, tools that are typically used by insiders, by quant funds, by hedge funds, and making them available to retail investors and traders.
Yeah, I mean, and I'll tell you, we did the golf tournament with you guys yesterday. We all went out to dinner on Thursday night, and then you came up here to the studio on Friday. And I tell you, this Token Metrics team is awesome. Like, we love all the people that work for Token Metrics. I mean, how many people did you bring? Was it like 19? 15?
15 or so.
15
couple
people.
Ubers.
Couple Ubers.
Uber XL.
So some of these, like we were talking about Sam, and there's several other people that Zach is here. A lot of people that I met and I talked to, really connected with, and you guys have got a great, family team environment, the same way that we do here. A lot of people say they watch our Hidden Network videos. I saw a comment this weekend. They're like, if these guys really just aren't turned on for the camera and this is all like authentic, like these are really excited people to be in crypto. And that's 100% true. And that's definitely the feeling that I got from your team too, that you guys are super invested in this for the long term and really care deeply about making sure that people that get your service like get value out of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Crypto family.
Crypto family. Yeah, that's it.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.